VA dental care. Hi, my name is April with the Vocal Veteran, and I'm just going to walk you through my recent experience with dental care at VA. So this channel is devoted to all things veteran benefits. I specialize in disability claim appeals and often will do instructional videos on filing your own claims and appeals and or the advantage of having a representative when things get a little complicated. I am also a veteran, and so I do videos on my experience with Veteran Health Administration or getting my own healthcare, because I know that's often a confusing and can be difficult. And also I am one that likes to know what to expect when I go to appointments. And so I'm often on YouTube looking up what to expect when I go to a veteran healthcare appointment. So I like to pay it forward and put out my own experiences as well, in the hopes that it will help some of you. So this is to do with veteran dental care. I am in the New Orleans area, and we have a wonderful facility in New Orleans that is a VA facility, and it's basically got everything. So it is wonderful in that anytime I need any special care or even regular care, I just go to one place and park in one parking garage, which is, helpful for those of us with anxiety. And this time when I went for dental, I thought that I was going for a cleaning, but it was just an established care visit. It was just one of those, you're new, we want to get a look at you and see what kind of work you might need to have done, or things like that. That's my own fault for not understanding. So I go for my dental visit. I get in the chair for them to look at my teeth, and they said, "Oh my goodness, we just had an opening for a cleaning. Like someone just didn't show or canceled. Do you want to go ahead and get a cleaning while you're here?" And I said, "Of course, that's what I thought I was getting anyway. So yes, please." So they whisk me over to get a cleaning while I'm there. And while I'm getting my cleaning, the hygienist says, "That's a really good thing that you're getting it today, because our appointments, if you were to try and make an appointment today, are 9 months out." 9 months. Crazy. So I was like, yeah, thank you so much. I'm really glad this worked out. Awesome. So she does my cleaning, and then I go back for the dentist to look at me. They also did a bunch of x-rays. I am a person who doesn't do well with mouth x-rays because of some mechanics on the inside of my mouth. So there was didn't work out quite like they hoped, but anyway, they did what they could. Dentist sees me, and part of the dental exam also includes your jaw. I have TMJ, and this side in particular pops and crackles and does all kind of weird things. And so dentist notices that and says, "Would you like some treatment for this?" And I said, "Well, I already have a night guard that I wear. I wasn't aware that there was really anything else that could be done." And the dentist says, "No, actually, we could send you to neurology and they could do Botox in your jaw." Interesting. Never heard of that before. She was like, "Would you be open to that?" And I said, "Absolutely. If it will help, I'm game." And then she said, "What about physical therapy?" Didn't know there was such a thing for physical therapy for your jaw, but sure, I'll do that too. So they ordered the physical therapy and the neurology appointment just while I was there. And then I was told that I was supposed to make a follow-up appointment, but then when I was walking out, the person that was making appointments said she didn't know what I was talking about. So I just got out of there. Then I was contacted within a few days, set up a neurology appointment, set up physical therapy. When I went to neurology, again, back at the same facility, thank goodness, at the New Orleans VA. Lovely people. I was very impressed with that department. They did a bunch of mechanical exercises just to kind of get an idea of what the situation was. And they ordered an MRI, which I have yet to go to. Not really looking forward to that, but I'll let you know how that goes. They ordered an MRI and then asked about if I was open to the Botox, and I was like, sure. So they went ahead and did Botox in either side. It's been a few weeks now. I haven't noticed a difference. So I'm supposed to go back for a follow-up, I think 3 months from now, and we'll see if we want to try that again or maybe higher dose. I'm not sure. But it was really interesting just to even have that option and to give it a try. I will say I've started physical therapy now. I've had a couple of sessions, and that seems to really be making a difference. I've really noticed, especially in the last few days, things are not popping and crackling quite as much. So I will recommend that. If any of you are also struggling with TMJ, that is an option, and I would take advantage of it if you were ever offered that. Okay, so that was my experience with VA Dental, especially here in the New Orleans area and maybe everywhere else. The wait time is significant, and I will also say they did tell me if I need to be seen sooner, then community care is an option for dental. So that's also something to keep in your back pocket. Keep in mind if you have a dental issue specifically, then make sure you get a referral to community care so that you can be seen as soon as possible. All right, again, my name is April with the Vocal Veteran. If you have a disability claim appeal that you would like help on, go to thevocalveteran.com, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day.